Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on Xbox. It is important to understand that Clash of Clans was created specifically for mobile platforms like smartphones and tablets. This means you cannot directly download or install the game onto your Xbox console. The game's developers have not released an official version for Xbox, so traditional gameplay methods are not possible. The primary reason for this limitation is the game's design. Clash of Clans is built to utilize touchscreen controls and the specific operating systems of mobile devices. Xbox consoles run a different operating system that does not natively support Android or iOS applications. Therefore, the game simply cannot run on an Xbox in its current form, and there are no announced plans for a console port. While you cannot play Clash of Clans directly on Xbox, some users explore unofficial methods like screen mirroring. This involves casting your phone's display to your television, which is connected to your Xbox. However, this only mirrors the image. You would still control the game using your mobile device. There is no way to use your Xbox controller to play the game this way, and emulators are not a viable or supported option. For the best and most authentic experience, playing Clash of Clans on its native mobile platform is highly recommended. This ensures you have full access to all game features, receive timely updates, and can easily connect with your clanmates and friends. The game is optimized for mobile play, offering intuitive controls and seamless performance on your phone or tablet, providing the intended gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.